Hi, welcome to AXA Learning Smart Math Challenge series. In this series, we will explore challenging math questions and see if we can beat the clock and get the answer in under 10 seconds. First, we will show you the problem of the day. Next, we will try to solve the problem using the standard method, also known as the boring method. Then, we will explore AI responses like ChatGPT and Google's Gemini to see how they can solve these questions. And lastly, we will try to solve the problem using a technique without the use of a calculator or an AI. Stay tuned to the end to see how we can solve this problem and if we can do it in less than 10 seconds. So, here's the problem. The difference of squares of two numbers is 24 and one of the numbers is 5/7 of the other. Find the numbers. A. 7 and 5, B. 7 and 9, C. 10 and 14, D. 7 and 12, E. 2 and 5. Let's see how most people solve this kind of problem, the boring method. Here's the same question. Pause the video now to see if you want to solve it first before we do. So, the boring method. The ratio of one of the numbers to another is 5/7. Let the numbers be A and B. Therefore, A over B equals 5/7. A equals 5B over 7. Also, given that A squared minus B squared equals 24, therefore 5B over 7 squared minus B squared equals 24. 25b squared over 49 minus b squared equals 24. 25b squared minus 49b squared equals 24 times 49. Therefore, b squared equals 49 and b is 7. A equals 5 times 7 divided by 7 equals 5. And the answer is letter A, 7 and 5. Estimated time to arrive at the answer is 45 seconds. Now for the fun part, let's see if AI is smart enough to solve this correctly. We'll first start with ChatGPT and then we'll do the same with Google's Gemini. Here we are in ChatGPT. Let's face the question and see. Remember, our answer was option A, 7 and 5. Let's see how ChatGPT solves the problem and how fast it can give us the correct answer. Alright, it's trying to solve the problem and it already gave us the correct answer. Letter A, 7 and 5. That was fast. Now let's try this on Google Gemini. We'll paste the same question and see. Again, remember the answer is option A, 7 and 5. Let's see if Gemini can solve the problem correctly and if it can give us a correct answer faster than ChatGPT. Oops. Gemini wasn't able to recognize the correct answer. According to Gemini, there are no two numbers that satisfy the given conditions, which we all know from the standard method and from ChatGPT's calculation. The correct answer is letter A. Oh well. So, what about the times you don't have access to a calculator or an AI? As I had promised, let's see the fastest and smartest way to solve this question without the use of a calculator or an AI. Here's the same question. Pause the video now to see if you have a faster and smarter way to solve this question and beat the clock. So, here's the smart way. Just look at the options and see which numbers are in the ratio of 5:7. Thus, all options other than A and C are eliminated. Also, for option C, 14 squared minus 10 squared is not equal to 24. Thus, answer is option A, 7 squared minus 5 squared equals 24. And the estimated time to arrive at the answer is 10 seconds. Drop in a comment to share if you have an even better and faster way to solve this question. Like and subscribe to this channel for more such videos or visit us at www.axellearning.com. Thank you and stay tuned for the next one.